Grab your collie stick. I want to show you our basic punch cut drill. This is really good for developing this technique in your collie. You could do this with a stick. It's traditionally done with a bolo, with a blade, but it can still be effective. And when you're sparring, the punch cut is a fantastic move because it does a really, really good job at hitting stuff. So on the punch cut, we can hit this on any of the angles. We can punch cut on the vertical, on the horizontal, or even on the diagonal strikes. We could even do some punch cuts on the ascending upward diagonal strikes as well. But most commonly, you're gonna see the punch cut done either in downward motion. So either on the vertical, on the horizontal, or on the diagonal strike. And the other thing with the punch cut is that it's got a great recovery. We call this the slap recovery. And so let's take a look at the drill here. It's a 4-count drill as far as how many punch cuts we do. So we're gonna come down on the vertical, and then I'm going to slap it back to cover this space. I'm gonna punch cut on the forehand horizontal, come back and slap for that recover. I'm gonna punch cut again down on the vertical. I'm going to recover on the inside here, and then I'm gonna punch cut out on the backhand horizontal, and then recover it back. So it's 1, recover, 2, recover, 3, recover, 4, recover, right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Let me turn it from the side so you can see it from this angle as well. So vertical, recover, forehand horizontal, recover, vertical again, recover the inside this time, so we're blocking the inside, backhand horizontal, and then recover. So 1, recover, 2, recover, 3, recover, 4, recover, right there. Let me show you on this side. 1, recover, 2, recover, 3, recover, 4, recover. Okay, let's see if you can do 3 reps with me here. 1, recover, 2, recover, 3, recover, 4, recover. 2 more times, let's make it smoother. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, let's make it fast but smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know you can get it. Spend a little time with it. Punch cut, bam. Awesome movements, high percentage, and like I said, it's really good at picking up the hand and hitting stuff.